We've talked about separating your emotions sometimes from a decision that needs to be made. How do you help people manage that? And are there situations in which it's a positive contribution to the decision?
I could go on and on and on about this. I disagree. I don't remember I don't know that we actually said that. I think emotions are vitally important. I think we're a society that walks around emotionally constipated. I think it's a problem. Okay, we need to not be afraid of emotion, and we need to process it and not rely on emotional porn like scary movies and Real Housewives and all of these things. So emotion is part of who we are, and we just need to balance the intellectual part of us with the emotional part of us and integrate them, because if you shut off, your left brain, right, the right brain is more emotional, the left brain is more analytical. If you had a stroke and lost everything on the right side of your brain and were only analytical, you wouldn't get anything done. It'd be analysis paralysis, because you need the emotion, energy in motion, to actually make a decision to do anything. You need both. So please do not separate them. Please embrace your emotion. Just be balanced about it. Obviously, you can't let your emotions run you, right? But you have to integrate them and have them balance out the analytical analysis paralysis that a lot of us get caught in. And we have to learn to process our emotions, because that's also why we're stuck, whether it's stuck in relationships or affecting our health or at work. If you're not dealing with the emotional stuff that's coming up, it's affecting you in some other way. So you got to deal with it one way or another. And I think that the best thing that we can do is integrate both, and then we can be fully present and fully engaged in what we're doing, and have better relationships with our coworkers and our families, and be able to communicate more effectively. It's the key to a lot of things.
Thank you. Oh.